Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the part 3 of the topic integrals and the past year questions of it. So now let us start with the first question over here. So we have to find that is integration of x is to 4 log x dx. So here this will be u into v, the integration of u into v dx. So this is the formula. Just go to this formula. So here, which I have to consider u and the v. So you know the rule. So from here, which should be u and which should be v. So you know the rule, that is the I-like. That is inverse. This is logarithm. This will be algebraic. And this will be trigonometry. And this will be the exponent. So from this one, now you can see which comes first is logarithm and then the exponent. So now let us consider this as u and this as v. So now what will we do? In place of this u, you will write here, first we'll consider this as u. So that will be log of x. That's integration v means this is going to be x raised to 4 dx minus this integration of d by dx of, now you know that u is log of x, and this dx integration of this v of what? That is x raised to 4 dx, and this is d of x. So now let us solve this one. So this log of x, let us keep it there. When you take the integration of x raised to 4, you know that will be 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1, that will be x raised to 5 divided by 5 minus, here when we take the integration, you know the integration of log of x, that will be 1 by x. Here again, x raised to 5 divided by 5 and plus c. So now we will take this together. So it will be x raised to 5 log x divided by 5 minus. Now here you can see this is in the denominator. This is 5. So we can take this 1 by 5 outside. And then integration of, again, what will we do here? Here we can do one thing. This is x and this also is x. So here we can cancel out. So here we will get x is to 4 dx and plus c. So now this will be as it is, minus 1 by 5 also as it is here. So when you take the integration of this one, that will be x is to 5 divided by 5 plus c. So look at here, this keep as it is. So now when you multiply this into this, that is going to be 25, and this will be x is to 5. So what will you write here? This as it is, and this x is to 5 divided by 25 plus c. So this is the answer. Now look at here. They said if this will be from 0 to a, 3x squared dx is equal to 8, then the value of, we want a value of a. So now let us write this same over here. So when we integrate this one, so what will you get? You will get here, this 3 will take here outside. When you integrate this one, you are going to get this is x is to 2, means 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. That will be x cubed divided by 3. And this is 0 to a. We'll write as it is. And this is given as a. So now what will we do here? This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. So what remains is just this part. So that is given over here, that is a. So now what will you do? In place of this x, you will write here a first. So that will be a cubed. Then what will you do? You will write here 0. You will take here 0, right? In place of, so that will be 0. So now that is, this 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. That will be 2 cube. So now this a cube minus 0 means it is going to be a cube. And this is 2 raised to 3. So now what you can see here, the exponents are the same. If the exponents are same, the base also should be the same. So here we get a as 2. So that is what they have asked. What is the value of a? So this is the answer. Now here, when we are evaluating this one, so now let us consider this I as this. So now what will you do? You will write here the 3 raised to x divided by log of, because this is a here, so that is a rule. So this is a formula given whenever we have such type of a raised to x dx, that is a raised to x divided by log of a. So now what we can see here, this is here means this is a raised, this is a, and this is raised to x. So now what will you do? You will write here a raised to x as it is, then log of a. Log of a means this a we have 3, so we'll write here 3. This 2 raised to 3, that will be as it is. So now when we have this, you will take here this 1 by 3, 1 by log 3. this is in the denominator, right? So you will take your 1 by log 3 outside. So now we are going to concentrate on this one. So what will you write here? In place of this x, you will write here. First you will take 3. So you will write here 3 raised to 3. Then what will you do here? You just concentrate on this part. So here what will you do now? You will write 3 as it is. In the place of x, you will write here 2. So 3 raised to 2. Again, this will be as it is. So 3 raised to 3 means it is going 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27, and 3 square is 9. So what will be here? This will be 18. So that will be 18 divided by log of 3. So this formula is important. Just concentrate on this formula. So now here, this is given, evaluate integration of 0 to 3, that is dx divided by 9 plus x square. So now here what we can do, this 9 we can also write as 3 square plus x square, because we have the formula this here. Can you see here? This is x square plus a square here. That is 1 by 8, 10 inverse x by a. So now what will we do? We have 1 by a, 1 by a. So what is here? A is 3. So because see here, this is x square and this is a square. So we have a as 3. So that will be what we have? 10 inverse. You have to remember this formula. That is 10 inverse x by a. So a is 3. So you have to write here 3. And that is, you have to write here, which tends from 0 to 3. So you will write here. So now this 1 by 3 as it is. 10 inverse here. So here you know now, first you are going to take x as 3. That will be 3 by 3. And then you will take this 0. So that will be right 10 inverse 0. See first here, 10 inverse, this you will take in place of this 3 by 3. And then again you will take 10 inverse. This will be 0. Where this one 3 is going to be 0. So now what will you write here? This 1 by 3 as it is, 10 inverse. This 1 that will be 1. And this 10 inverse 0 is as it is. Now this will be again here. So now 10 inverse 1, that will be pi by 4. And this is going to be 0. So now what will you do here? Again, you can also write, if you want one step, pi by 4 minus 0 means that is going to be pi by 4. So here it will be pi divided by 12. So this is the answer. So now here it is given here. Integration this one, sec square x dx is equal to, you have to write this one. So now we have, when you have the formula for this one, that is sec squared theta d theta, that is tan theta. So now you will just consider this one. So this is what sec squared x, this will be, here is x, in place of this theta, this is x. So you'll write here 10x. So here, because this is this, in place of theta, you are going to write x. So that is only difference. So you need here 10 theta. So you'll write a 10x. And this is minus pi by 4 here. And this is pi by 4. So now what will you do in place of this x? So you will put here pi by 4 first. And then in place of this one, you will write this minus as it is here. And here, in this, here, what will you write here? In place of this, you will write here minus pi by 4. So now what will you do? This, you know, this was 10 pi by 4, that is 1. This minus is over here. And this 10 of minus pi by 4. Can you see this formula? That is minus, hope this is clear to you. This is minus 10 theta. So here what we have, theta is pi by 4. So just remember this one. So now what we can do, this minus becomes plus. So here what we can do, 10 raised to pi minus pi by, this will be 1. So again you will write minus plus. So here you will get 1 plus 1, that is 2. So just remember the formulas well. So now here it is given here, evaluate, that is the modulus of 2x minus 1 dx, that is from, this is from 1 to 3. So now this you can also write this one. This is the question here, the same written over here. This also you can write here 2x minus x dx. So now you will take the separate this one of integrate this one, the derivative of this one will be what? Sorry, this the integration of this one is going to be what? this is 1, that will be 1 plus 1, that is going to be 2, divided by 1 plus 1, that is 2 raised to x, 1 plus 1. So that will be 2x square by 2, minus when you take by 1 dx, that will be x integration here. So here 1 is to 3, 1 to 3. So now this 2 and 2 gets cut. So this is going to be x square, and this x as it is. This 1 to 3, that is going to be as it is. So now in place of this x, you are going to put 3. So that is going to be 3 square. Now here again, so that will be 3 square minus this one. If you take here, that will be just 3. So in the first bracket, you will write here. First, you will take this one, this, and then you will take this and this. So then minus of this one. So now you will consider for 1. So this 1 square is going to be 1. And when will you here? 1 minus 1. So now what will you do here? This will be 9 minus 3. And this 1 minus 1 is 0. So 9 minus 3, the answer is 6. So by this, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to the channel so you get the other parts, notification of the other parts, that is. So thank you.